Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can use the app of TD Bank in order to log in into it and do other stuff related to it. Alright, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want the step, then just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Alright, so TD Bank is a Canadian bank and is located in Toronto, Canada. Its headquarters is located over there. Alright, and it's basically has like 90,000 employees around the world, so it also has its chain around the world, so you don't have to be a Canadian in order to use TD Bank. All right, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you in order to use this app. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, and let's move on. First step, you want to download TD Bank from your Play Store and App Store. After you download it, it's going to open up just like this. Now what you can do is, if you want to view your accounts, you can click on view accounts, and it's going to take you over here, and over here you can enter your username and you can enter the password of your account over here and click on login, and you should be able to log in into your TD Bank. And if you for some reason forgot a username or password, you can click on it in order to recover your username and password. All right, and if you want to sign up for TD Bank, you can click on sign up in order to sign up for TD Bank. So that's how you guys can log in into it. And if you have like a mobile deposit, or if you want to deposit something, you can click on deposit over here, log in into your account, and it'll take you to the depositing sector. All right, and if you want to transfer, you can click on transfer over here. So every single time I click on something, it's going to ask me to log in. But once you log in into your account, once you click on transfer, it'll take you to transfer page. Once you click on deposit, it'll take you to deposit page. And if you want to send somebody your money, click on send money. And if you want to pay some bills, click on pay your bill. And if you want to check your accounts, you can click on accounts. All right, and if you want to manage your transfer, you can click on it. If you want digital wallets, click on it. If you want to view its product, like product of TD Bank, you can click on product. If you want to see where TD Bank is located, you can click on locations. It's going to show you all the location where TD Bank is located. If you want to contact the staff of TD Bank, you can click on contact us and contact them and ask them anything you want. All right, so yeah, that's basically how we guys can use this app. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One step. See you guys next time.